Hey guys, it's me Saif and welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video, we have done some introductions related to for loop. So let's get back to where we left off by using another examples. The problem I'm going to solve in this video is that find the summation of first 100 natural number by using for loop. So here our objective is to find the summation of all number. And we need to repeat some kind of summation process probably for 100 times, right? So let's write our code by considering a variable. Let's say the name is sum. You can consider any name or whatever you want. And let's say I'm considering my summation will start from 0. So that's the initial variable you always need to consider whenever you are trying to find some kind of summation by using some loop. And then let's mention the loop for, and let's mention another variable which is for our iterating variable. And that tells us how many times we want to repeat our process. So let's say for that I'm using another built-in function called range. And the range is started with 1 and ended with 101, which means I want to repeat this process for 100 times. So 101 is the maximum value, 1 is the minimum value. You need to subtract it to get the repeating times. Okay, cool. So now you need to mention whatever process or whatever functions or a statement you want to do inside the loop body. So here, let's say I want to repeat the process sum plus I for 100 times. Well, let's make it this way. Sum is equal to sum plus I. Now let me show you guys what exactly will happen when I am running the code. So let's consider this like an equation, and let's say this is our first step. In the first step, our sum value is 0 because we are saying that our summation will start from 0 and I start from 1, right? So in the first step, the summation will be 1. In the second step, it will take the result from the first step. So in the second step, our summation value will be 1, which is the previous result. Let me write it this way. Okay, the summation value will be 1 and I will be 2. So now in the second step, our summation result is 3. That is how it will iterate the process for 100 times. So in third step, what is the value of the sum? Okay, let me write down here. The value of the sum will be the result in the second step, which is 3, right? That's why I wrote down 3 here. And the value of I in the third step is 3. So 3 plus 3, which will be 6, right? That is how it will follow the step until the iteration will be done for 100 times. So now I want to display the result. So I want to print the sum. Whatever this sum is, it will display in my result. Now let me run that. Let me show you how exactly it works. See? In the first step, the result is 1. Second step, 3. Third step, 6. Fourth step, 10. That is how in the 100th step, which is the result of the summation of 100 natural number, which says 5050. That's how you can solve this problem. Okay. Well, here let's say I don't want to check how all the steps looks like. I just care about the final result. Now let me skip any space here. That means print now is separate from our for loop. So now if I run this, it will give me the result only, the final result only. See? So that's a little bit ideas about how you can use for loop, and that's one way you can think about it. This is the main part, I believe, to understand where you can find complexity. The more you solve problems, the more it will be easier for you to understand. Thank you very much. See you in the next video with another problem. Bye bye.